At the end of this video, you should be able to distinguish between a quantity, a unit, and a measurement standard. Chapter 2, Section 2, Units of Measurement. Measurements are quantitative information. A measurement is more than just a number, even in everyday life. Suppose a chef were to write a recipe listing quantities such as 1 salt, 3 sugar, and 2 flour. The cooks could not use the recipe without more information. They would need to know whether the 3 represented tablespoons, teaspoons, cups, ounces, grams, or some other unit for sugar. Measurements represent quantities. A quantity is something that has magnitude, size, or amount. A quantity is not the same as a measurement. For example, the quantity represented by a tablespoon is volume. A tablespoon is a unit of measurement, while volume is a quantity. A tablespoon is a measurement standard in this country. Units of measurement compare what is being measured with previously defined sizes. Nearly every measurement is a number plus a unit. The choice of unit depends on the quantity being measured. Many centuries ago, people sometimes marked off distances and the number of foot lengths it took to cover the distance. But this system was unsatisfactory because the number of foot lengths used to express a distance varied with the size of the measurer's foot. Once there was agreement on a standard for foot length, confusion as to the real length was eliminated. It no longer mattered who made the measurement, as long as the standard measuring unit was correctly applied. At this point, you should be able to distinguish between a quantity, a unit, and a measurement standard.